Hi, in this question it is given that two kinds of rice are mixed in the ratio 2:3 and sold at rupees 22 rupees per kilogram, resulting in a profit of 10%. If the cost price of the kilogram of the smaller quantity, that means the 2 units quantity, which is 14 rupees, then what is the cost per kilogram of the larger quantity? So we can solve this question by using elimination method. It is given that these two are mixed in the ratio 2:3. So m:1 ratio will be given to us. Also given that the cost price per kilogram of the smaller quantity, that is given as 14, and we need to find out the cost price of the larger quantity. But one simple problem here is we have to find the cost price of that mixer. But in the question it will be given that the entire mixer was sold at 22 rupees, making a profit of 10%. That means selling price was given. That means we need to find out the cost price. So how do you find out the cost price? Cost price into 1 plus profit by 100, which is 10 by 100, which is equal to 22. So CP equal to 22 into, this is 110 by 100, which goes to the other side will become 100 by 110. 0 gets cancelled out. So 11 goes 2 times here, which is equal to 20. So 20 is the cost price of that entire mixer, right? Now let us put this 20 here. That means the cost price of the entire mixer is 20. Now let us apply the allocation rule. So now you see this should be higher than 20 because 14 is lesser than 20. This should be higher than 20. That means x is the bigger. So we'll make x minus 20 here. So you should always remember that the average is always in between the higher and lower values, right? It should be in between these two. Similarly, 20 minus 14 will give you 6. But it is given that the ratio between these two is equal to 2:3 because in that ratio only these two quantities are mixed. So let us apply that. So 2 by 3 equal to x minus 20 by 6. Just let us cross multiply this. 12 equal to 3x minus 60. So 60 goes to this side, which will give you 72 equal to 3x. So x equal to 24, right? That means the cost price of the mixer at higher quantity is 24 rupees. That should be the answer.